Hi, I'm Heather, and I'm so excited to show you around. If you're looking for a new, affordable, single-family home located in the Rush-Henrietta Central School District, then Lehigh Ridge is the community for you. Being just a few minutes from Marketplace Mall, Market Commons, College Town, and City Gate, say goodbye to being inconvenienced by errands. Enjoy nearby shops like Wegmans, Lowe's, Home Goods, and more. Located just off 390 and I-90, you'll be where you want to be without the hassle. You're even just 15 minutes from downtown Rochester. You'll love the inside of your home as much as the surrounding area. You'll finally have the room to host any occasion with new home designs that combine kitchen, living and dining areas in a way that's more livable than ever before, without the need for costly additions. Here at Lehigh Ridge, you'll be able to spend more money on decorating your home than purchasing costly new appliances, as they are all included. Kitchens with islands, plenty of cabinet storage, and open concept living. Specifically designed for your growing families, these modern 2-story floor plans feature the option to add up to 5 bedrooms. The home sites at Lehigh Ridge are spacious, with ample space for the kids to play and the dog to run around. You can even fence in your yard to create your perfect backyard retreat. Walk your children to the elementary school because it's so close, and drive less than 1.5 miles to the junior and senior high schools. I can't forget to mention that the Lehigh Valley Trail runs right through the community. Just step outside and enjoy a run, a calming bike ride, or even a walk with your family or friends. Explore over 60 acres at the picturesque Tinker Nature Park and Museum, then refuel at Firecrust Pizza or Fireside Grill and Sports Bar. It truly is a wonderful place to call home. We're here to help you through every step of the home buying process to make it as stress-free as possible. If you're unsure of what you can afford or wonder if you have enough for a down payment, our mortgage experts can help you learn everything you need to know about financing and buying a new home. Whether this is your first home or if you've purchased a home before, we can help you start investing in yourself and upgrade your life to where you want to be. Want to know how you can learn more about this great opportunity? Join our interest list. By joining, you'll receive exclusive updates and early access to floor plans and pricing. You'll also be among the first to tour the decorated model home. So join our interest list today. We can't wait to welcome you home.